Okay, another pattern that we can try is two like this, two like this, there might be a little bit of a gap. These corks are not all the same size, but that's okay. It's just, like we said, part of the look. Two like that, and then two like this. Two like that. And continue that pattern all the way across Texas. Now this one right here, we'll have to just put one on long because we got that little tip, but that's okay. You're going to have to adjust the pattern a little bit. If you come out a little uneven like that, just go ahead and add another one.